Hello and welcome. Let's talk about a simple yet profound concept that can radically change your life. It's not something you need to struggle to understand, but rather something that you already know deep within yourself. This golden rule is not only timeless but incredibly powerful. If you allow yourself to grasp it, it could shift your entire perspective and open doors you didn't even know existed. Are you ready to hear it? The golden rule is this: you are what you believe yourself to be. Think about that for a moment. You are what you believe yourself to be. This is not some distant, abstract idea. It's a truth that you can immediately apply to your life. Whatever you think about yourself, whatever you believe about your worth, your abilities, and your future, is what you will experience in life. We often hear phrases like, "Thoughts create reality," but do we truly understand them? When you believe in something with conviction, it begins to shape your reality, just like a sculptor shapes clay. The truth is, our beliefs are the lens through which we view the world. If you see yourself as weak or incapable, that is how the world will reflect it back to you. But if you see yourself as capable, strong, and worthy, the world begins to mirror that belief. Life doesn't push you around, it only responds to what you show it, and what you show it begins with what you believe about yourself. Now, this doesn't mean you have to wait for things to change outside of you. You don't need to wait for the right time, the right circumstances, or for someone else to tell you that you are enough. You need to recognize that the only thing that matters is what you believe. Your beliefs shape the world around you. If you hold on to the belief that you are powerful, deserving, and capable, you will begin to experience life from that perspective. It all starts with the internal world. The moment you change your thoughts, the moment you begin to think of yourself in a new way, you open up a new possibility for yourself. Let me give you an example. If you believe that success is unattainable, that belief will cloud your actions. You won't take risks, you won't put yourself out there, and you certainly won't make the most of the opportunities in front of you. However, if you shift that belief, if you start seeing yourself as someone who attracts success, your actions will change. You'll start taking steps, even small ones, toward your goals. You'll stop waiting for things to happen and start making them happen. This golden rule also has to do with understanding the power of your imagination. Your imagination is not some whimsical, fanciful thing. It's a tool that you can use to create your reality. Imagine what you want. See it vividly in your mind's eye as though it has already happened. Feel the emotions that would come with having it. It's about stepping into the feeling of already being the person you want to be, having the life you want to have. When you imagine, don't just passively think about it. Feel it. Immerse yourself in the emotion of what it would be like to already have it. This is where the magic happens. Your imagination doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. The more vividly and emotionally you experience your desires in your imagination, the more the world around you begins to shift to match that inner vision. Another important part of this golden rule is recognizing that your external world is not permanent. What you see now, what you experience now, is not set in stone. It's a reflection of your past thoughts and beliefs. But you have the power to change it. As soon as you change your beliefs, you begin to reshape your reality. Your external world is constantly changing based on your internal thoughts. It may not happen overnight, but it will happen. Let me remind you, you are the creator of your own reality. You have always been. The moment you begin to claim that power and align your beliefs with your desires, things will begin to unfold in ways you never thought possible. There is no need to beg for what you want. There's no need to wait for someone else to give you permission. The power is within you, and it always has been. The only thing you need to do is believe it. I'm sure you've heard the saying, what you think about, you bring about. It's true. But it's even deeper than that. Your thoughts don't just bring things into your life, they also shape how you perceive and respond to the world. When you believe in your power, your ability, and your worth, you show up in the world differently. You stand taller. You speak with confidence. You walk with purpose. Your actions reflect your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your actions. Take a moment right now to think about what you believe about yourself. Do you believe you're worthy of love, success, and happiness? Do you believe that you can achieve your dreams? If you don't, that's okay. The beautiful thing is that you can change your beliefs. You can choose to see yourself as someone who is capable and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. All it takes is a shift in perspective. Now, you may be wondering, how do I start? The answer is simple: start by changing your thoughts. Start by changing your inner conversation. Notice the thoughts that run through your mind on a daily basis. Are they thoughts of limitation, fear, or doubt? If so, acknowledge them, but don't let them control you. You can choose a different thought. Every time you catch yourself thinking something limiting, replace it with a thought that empowers you. If you think, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I can do this, and I will." Consistency is key. The more you practice shifting your thoughts, the more natural it will become. Over time, you'll begin to believe in your ability to create your own reality. You'll begin to trust in the process of change and transformation. Remember, the golden rule is simple: you are what you believe yourself to be. Your life will reflect the beliefs you hold about yourself. If you believe that you are worthy, powerful, and capable, your life will start to reflect those qualities. If you believe that you are weak, unworthy, or incapable, your life will reflect that as well. The key is to understand that you are not a passive observer in your life. You are the creator. The moment you realize this, you take back your power. You stop waiting for someone else to give you permission, and you start creating the life you desire. Now, let's talk about how you can actively begin the process of changing your life, starting right now. It all begins with awareness. The first step is to become aware of your current beliefs and thoughts. What do you believe about yourself? What do you think is possible for your life? Are your beliefs aligned with the life you want to create? If not, that's okay. This is a process, and the fact that you're becoming aware of these beliefs is the first step toward change. Once you've identified those beliefs, the next step is to shift them. This doesn't mean you have to completely erase them overnight. It means that you start to challenge them. You start asking yourself, is this belief serving me? If the answer is no, then it's time to replace it with something more empowering. Instead of thinking, "I'll never be successful," replace that thought with, "I am on the path to success and every step I take brings me closer to my goals." So, what do you believe about yourself? What do you want to believe about yourself? It's time to choose your beliefs carefully, because they are shaping your reality right now, whether you realize it or not. You have the power to change everything, and it starts with your beliefs. Choose to believe in your own greatness. Choose to believe that you are worthy of everything you desire. Choose to believe that you are the creator of your own reality, and watch as the world around you shifts to match your new beliefs. This golden rule isn't just some lofty idea. It's a tool that you can use right now. Begin to see yourself as the person you want to become, and you'll begin to see your life shift in ways you never imagined. Your beliefs are powerful, and when you align them with your desires, you can accomplish anything. Take this golden rule and let it guide you every day. You are what you believe yourself to be, and that belief will shape everything you experience in life. Don't wait for things to change outside of you. Change what's inside, and watch as the world changes to match. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that will guide you on your path to personal transformation. We're here to support you every step of the way. Keep believing in your potential, and know that the power to shape your future is always within you. Take action, shift your mindset, and watch as the world responds in kind. So go ahead, like this video, share it, and subscribe. Your journey to transformation starts now, and we're honored to be part of it with you.